Hi everyone, it's Miss Kaler here with another book talk for you. I found a book, it's called The Wall in the Middle of the Book, that I thought you all might enjoy. So I'm here to share a little bit about it with you, and then hopefully you can find it at your local library and check it out a little bit more. So this book is by John McGee, written and illustrated, and this book is the story of a hero, a young knight, who is sure that this wall in the middle of the book is going to protect him from all of the scary things on the other side. You see a rhino, in a moment you'll see a tiger, there's an ogre on the other side as well, but the knight doesn't seem to notice what's happening on his side of the wall. There's some dangerous things on his side of the wall, even more dangerous than what's on the other side. And eventually he has to cross the wall, and he finds that he learns a little bit of a lesson crossing over the wall. This is only a quick book talk today because I don't want to share too much of the story other than a little bit about what dangers the knight faces. So you see the knight here on the left side of the wall. He's starting to climb over the wall. However, you can see something start to happen, and I'm going to ask that you think about what problems he might encounter with the rising water on the left side. So this book, like I said, is called The Wall in the Middle of the Book. It's by John McGee. If you think this book might be something that you want to read, check it out, and we will see you next week.